Welcome, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Learn Yoruba with me. Today's topic is vowels. Vowel in Yoruba is voweli, voweli. Yoruba has 7 vowels, and they are a, e, o, u. One more time. A, e, o, u. Yoruba also has 17 consonants, but we will only focus on vowels for today. With the Yoruba, with learning Yoruba, you must know that Yoruba is also a musical language. So Yoruba has 3 tones: low, medium, high. I also like to use the musical notes do, re, mi as a way of trying to memorize or better understand those 3 tones. So low corresponds with do, the mid neutral is the re, and high is mi. Now we're going to look at more examples of do, re, mi next. Looking at do, re, mi, the high tone mi corresponds and shows as it has a uptick mark that's leaning towards the right, as in the word ede in Yoruba. Ede in Yoruba is shrimp. Notice the uptick in the last E in ede is leaning towards the right. Ede. Then we have the mid-neutral tone. Usually that doesn't have any intonation marks at all. It's usually empty, basically, above the word, as in the Yoruba word be, which is like ask. Be, ask. Then we have the low intonation, which is shown by the uptick towards the left, as in the Yoruba word ede, ede. Today we are learning Ede Yoruba, the Yoruba language. Next, we're going to look at some examples of words and how they correspond to the vowels. First, we have a, as in the English word axe, a. The Yoruba word that has a is aja, aja. Aja is dog in Yoruba, and notice the intonation at the last A is leaning towards the right. Then we have the vowel e as in I. E in Yoruba has the word ewe, ewe. Again, notice the intonation leaning towards the right in ewe, and ewe is leaf in Yoruba. After ewe, we then have the vowel which is pronounced as the English word egg, e. The Yoruba word that has is eja, eja. Notice eja doesn't have any left or right intonation marks, but does have a mark underneath that E. That is the sound. Eja. Eja is obviously fish in Yoruba. Then we have the vowel E, as in the English word eat, E. The Yoruba word that has E is iya, iya. Notice iya has 2 intonation marks, one on the left and one on the right, iya, and iya is mother in Yoruba. Then we also have O vowel. O. O vowel corresponds to the English word orange. O, orange. And the Yoruba word that has O in it is ori, ori, which is head. Then we have the A sound. A as an octagon. A. The A sound is somewhat a bit difficult to pronounce, so just keep practicing it and you'll get it. The A sound in Yoruba is omo, omo, which is child. Then we have the U vowel in Yoruba. U, very similar to the English word Uber. U. The Yoruba word that has U is oju, oju. Oju is face in Yoruba. So that concludes our sort of crash course on Yoruba vowels. A, e, I, o, u. Keep practicing. Keep saying it over and over again. Repetition is always the best friend when learning a new language. And of course, remember the do, re, mi, the intonations. If you want to, and obviously you should, go back to the video and look at the various words that I've given as vocabulary and try to sound them out using the do, re, mi. I hope this helps. I'm not the strongest or the best Yoruba speaker out there, but this also counts for me to learn as well. and to get better at Yoruba. Once again, thank you all for being with me in this episode of Learn Yoruba with me. Again, subscribe, like, comment down below for new topics you want to see being covered, or comment down for any intonations or pronunciations that I had missed. We're all here to learn together. We're not here to one up each other. So let me know. You can also email me at learnyourabawithme@gmail.com. I will get back to your emails and into your comments as quick as I can. Thank you everyone for being with me and have a great Tuesday. Bye.